Welcome back to MACMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. If you are working with multiple monitors, screens or displays, it can easily happen that by accident you have moved the dock to the wrong screen and it's not entirely clear 1. Why this has happened, and 2. How to get the dock back. Both are actually very easy once you know the reason for it. After following this video, you now know how to return the dock to the desired screen. First, start with the basics. It might be that your dock ended up on the wrong screen altogether. Go to the Display section in the System Settings. I will just right-click the System Settings icon in the dock and select Displays. There you will see a visual representation of the physical arrangements of your screens. I will click my built-in display and under Use As, just make sure it is marked as the main display, because the main display is the display that will receive the dock. In the layout you can see that I have two screens. There is a screen in a vertical orientation to the left of my main screen that I'm currently recording on. A common reason that the dock mysteriously floats to another screen is because you have moved or hovered the mouse just a second too long at the bottom of the screen. Because if you do that, it is a cue for macOS that this is where you want the dock to appear. Let me demonstrate this. Here I am moving my mouse pointer to the bottom of the second screen, and sure enough the dock has now moved to that screen. Although, if I go back to the display settings, this screen is still marked as the main display, but the dock is no longer there. You can simply use this trick once you know it exists. If you want to get the dock back, move your mouse to the bottom of the screen you want the dock to appear, and in this case I want it back on my main display. So, move your mouse, and there's the dock. Now let's move it back to the second screen, and back again. There is also another option to have a look at. Open the System Settings, and then go to Desktop and Dock. This is where to configure the various settings for the dock, like its size and position. Then find the toggle for automatically hide and show the dock. Once enabled, of course the dock will now automatically hide, but this behavior is now integrated, if you will, on both screens. So wherever you place your mouse at the bottom of the screen, the dock will appear. Similar to earlier, but now it is integrated with the auto hide option, and it's like you have a dock on every screen on purpose. Let me show this on the main display and the external screen. And lastly, if the dock is messed up for some reason, you can just restart the dock through a terminal. Open a terminal. I will use Go from the Finder menu and then Utilities. And then select Terminal. And type the command kill all dock with a capital D. This will just reinitialize the dock. Let me show that again. And if all else fails, of course, try restarting your machine. Sometimes that's just the only thing that will help. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!